Today is Thursday, February 7th, 2013. This is the view out my front door. As you can see, there's virtually no snow on the ground, just for a little dusting that's left over on my steps. This is pretty unusual for it to be February and no snow on the ground in New England, but they're saying we might get a blizzard tomorrow, so we'll come back in 24 hours and we'll see what the situation is.
Snow falling in New York City this morning as what's expected to be an historic blizzard just starts to bear down on the Northeast. An entire region at a standstill. Al's tracking it all from the city that could be hardest hit, Boston.
It's Friday, February 8th, and there's just the slightest hint of snow flurries. I guess the real action's going to hit tonight.
As we go throughout the afternoon, the blue indicating some of the snow, of course, fills in across western Mass. By the time it's all said and done, we are talking about 12 to 18 inches of snow up and down the Pioneer Valley. And if we have time.
It's 5 p.m. on Friday, February 8th, and we've gotten a little bit of snow, maybe 2 inches. I've already started shoveling. They say the real storm is going to start tonight. We shall see.
This Friday morning, and we do have the snow lightly falling across the lower Pioneer Valley. In fact, we're getting reports of flurries pretty much all across western Massachusetts, and since the snow has started, it is not going to stop for the next 24 to 36 hours. This is going to be a long-lived snowstorm, so it has a lot of time to drop a lot of snow.
Today is Saturday, February 9th, and we're going to check and see how much more snow we've gotten. It's pretty deep. Well, here's the results of our so-called blizzard. I've got the driveway done. Now I'm going to show you the backyard. Years ago, the city built a sidewalk behind my fence, and now I'm required to clean the sidewalk every time we have a snowstorm. So here's the path I made. It's 80 feet, about 80 feet to get to the fence, and then I have 100 feet of sidewalk to clear in the back. Looks like nobody's walked on my sidewalk yet. People are still shoveling out. It's pretty early yet. At some point I'll clear a path to my rear deck. No sense doing it today. Don't want to overextend myself.